Let's see how to do an oil change on this Toyota Yaris Hybrid. Now this engine will take either 0W20 or 5W30. The 5W30 it's better for the longevity of the engine, while 0W20 it's better for fuel economy since the viscosity is lower. So let's lift the front of the car and place it on jack stands. We've got here a solid point. This is the part number for the oil filter. Alright, now if you look under the car, slightly on the passenger side, you're gonna find the oil drain bolt, and next to it the engine oil filter. First I'm going to attempt to loosen the oil filter. Almost all the oil is out. Now let's tighten it back. Just snug it in there with around 20 foot-pounds. Okay, so finally this oil filter comes out after so much struggle. Let's go ahead and fill up the new filter with oil and let's tighten it. Okay, so this engine is going to use almost 4 liters of oil. Right, so you have to lift the funnel, otherwise the oil will be stuck. So just like this, you pour all the oil. I already added 3.5 liters and I'm going to check the level soon. Before checking the level, let's lower the car and keep it on a flat surface. Okay, so now we can check the level. The marks on this dipstick is very clear, has to be between these 2 points. I recommend that you first run the engine with below than half, like somewhere here. Right now it's almost on the top, but that's because the oil is not everywhere around the engine. So it's very important to check the level after you drove the car for, let's say, at least 5 to 10 minutes, or let it idle for a couple of seconds at least. And it's also recommended that you check the level while the engine is hot, because then the oil is also expanded and the level is going to be different. Okay guys, that's how you do an oil change on this car. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out the other videos I made about this Toyota Hybrid. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you in the next video.